kurutithia ciana nini wira mugaru na watho.
Most of these counties are drafting child protection policies, but also trying to influence the county government budgets to see how counties can put money into interventions that help communities, especially vulnerable households that are sending their children to work.
Kulingana na ruhonge rwa National Labour Organization, ciko cia ciana kwandikwo wira ni kunyamaria kimwiri niciongererekete na gikiro kinene kaunti-ini ici.
As you may know, it is illegal to employ an underage child. There is a law, a Kenya law, that prohibits underage children from going into work. Children are supposed to be children and enjoy their childhood and be in school and not in work.
Ukiri uguo niguo kuhurana na ciko ici, Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge ruru Grace Panya nimerutire kuhukia ciko ta ici bururi-ini wa Kenya na Uganda.
We selected Kajiado County because it's also a border county, and there's a lot happening on the border crossing.
Augete ati ona thengia wa thirikari kugathika mawatho na mitaratara hari ciko cia kurutithia ciana wira muritu, ciko ici no ciongererekete. Augete undu uyu no ucungiririo ni thina kuona matura ma Kajiado ciana 10 ni itigithetio cukuru na kuingirira uriithi.
Kajiado, who is represented here, the biggest challenge we have there is cattle herding, as you know, and the impact of COVID has not even given a chance to any of those children who were in school initially to stay in school. So there's been a lot because of the drought.
Ndeto ino ni nyititwo baru ni Andrew Ndete uria no wa gikundi giki akiuga gicunje kia 70 hari igana gia ciana iria nyamaritio kimwiri maumite matura maria magumagirwo ni ukia.
The biggest driver of child labor in this region remains agriculture, where statistics show that 72% of children in child labor are still in the agriculture sector. And worth noting, even in the context of Kenya, is that rural agricultural context still is the leading driver.
Odete augite thirikari ni irutanirie hari guteithiriria ciana na njira ya kuheana githomo kia bure kia primary.
The governments, both at national and county level, are now recognizing that child labor is a scourge that not only affects their societies but also affects economic and social development within the national and county planes.
Ngiribotera Muthengi TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u.
1, 2, 3.